Hey friends, in this short simple video we will going to talk about Amazon SES shared IP and dedicated IP. We will going to compare everything about shared IP and dedicated IP. I will also going to compare it with other companies. Okay, so there are lots of things you will going to learn in this video. So please watch the video from starting to end. Before we proceed further, if you want more digital marketing videos, make money videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload new video. So now guys, let's start with shared IP and dedicated IP. If you want to take Amazon SES shared IP, then it will just going to cost you very less. As I have told you in my earlier video, you can click in card and I have also put the link in description box where I have talked about Amazon pricing. So guys, in there I have told you for 10,000 emails, it will just going to cost $1. 100,000 emails it will cost you $10. 1 million email it will cost you $100. So it is very less. But if you want dedicated IP, now first understand what is shared IP and dedicated IP. See, shared IP means when you share your IP address with lots of people to send emails, then that is called a shared IP. Dedicated IP means this IP is only for you. It is a special unique IP only for you. No one can use it except you. So guys, as I have told you, it is for you only. No one will going to use it. So it will cost you extra. That means whatever shared IP will cost, it will cost you plus $15 or $20 extra. That means suppose for example for shared IP you are paying $10. So for dedicated IP you have to pay $10 plus $15. Okay, so you are understanding the idea. Now if we talk about ownership, so as I have told you, you will not going to get any ownership because shared IP are used by lots of people like you. But in dedicated IP, you are the owner of the dedicated IP. So dedicated IP is like sole proprietorship. If you will use it properly, you will gain lots of profit and you will going to only enjoy it. If like in sole proprietorship, if something goes in loss, so you only have to bear that. So same is with dedicated IP. As you are the only owner, whatever thing or suppose your IP is get blacklisted, so you will only going to responsible for this. Okay, so hope you have understood the ownership idea. Third thing is warm up. Yes, in shared IP it is already warmed up. Okay, but in dedicated IP you have to warm up your IP address to send emails. I have seen people who say I have purchased the dedicated IP and they say that they send lots of emails and all the emails are going to spam. So it is because their IP address is not warmed up. But shared IP are used by lots of people, so companies already warmed it up. Okay, but in dedicated IP you have to first warm up your IP address, then you can send emails, then it will going to land in person's inbox. So hope the idea is somehow simple. Now when to use. So if you are confusing when will I going to use shared IP and dedicated IP, so see guys, idea is very simple. If you want to send email from 1 to 1 million in every month or in daily basis, so please then go for a shared IP. If you want to send more than 1 million emails per month or per day, then I would highly suggest to go for a dedicated IP. It is very easy to understand. If I will tell you the live examples, so here is one company SendGrid. You can see for 10,000 emails per month, you have to pay around $30 per month. Okay, it is a shared plan. That shared IP plan, this shared IP plan. Okay, but for this same plan, if you will choose Amazon SES, you have to pay just $10. As I have told you, for 100,000 emails, you just have to pay $10. So this is benefit of Amazon SES. If you will see this shared plan, okay, it does not have any dedicated IP. But if you want the dedicated IP, so you can see for 1000 emails per month, you will get one dedicated IP included. You have to pay around $90. But if you will choose the same plan with Amazon SES, you just need to pay around $23 to $32. Okay, it is so cheap. So that's the benefit of using Amazon SES. It will going to give you lots of benefits. Now guys, if you're an email marketer, you might know that if you want to send successful emails, then in email marketing we require two things. That is one, email application. Email application helps you to manage all your emails. And second one is called as SMTP server. So with the help of SMTP servers, you can send emails. So SMTP server is very much important. So now guys, you need to connect email application and SMTP server to perform proper email marketing. Okay, so guys, you know what? This SMTP server, it is what it is called as Amazon SES. So Amazon SES helps you to send emails. And guys, email applications are a lot, but if I talk about myself, I use Mautic. Now, if I will give you live example, I use email application as Mautic and I use SMTP server as Amazon SES, and I have connected Mautic and Amazon SES together, and I can send unlimited emails for very cheap with 100% delivery rate. For live example, this is my Mautic application. This is a free email marketing service. You can see there are lots of email marketing service like MailChimp. You can see friend, their pricing is so high, so high. You will see ConvertKit pricing, it is also very high. If you will see Get Response pricing, you can see it is also very high. So guys, see, these are all the premium services. If you want these premium services, you have to pay to them and the pricing is very high, but these are all the things available in Mautic for 100% free. You can use unlimited features, you can create automated campaigns, segment emails. So there are lots of things for free in this application. As I told you earlier, it is my email application and I have connected it with Amazon SES. If you will go to configuration and then click on email settings, you can see friends, I'm using Amazon SES as my SMTP server. So what I did, as I told you earlier, I have connected my Mautic as email application and Amazon SES as SMTP server. I've connected Mautic and Amazon SES and it performs amazing. If I will give you live example, just go to channels, click on emails, and this is one email. Just open it. Now guys, I will show you live example how this is amazing. See, if you will go to mailtester.com, it helps you to check delivery rate. Just copy the email, just go here and send example. I've put here, click on send, and again go to mail tester and check your score. You will see it is showing me it is 100% 10 by 10 delivery score. So this is so amazing guys, so amazing. So hope you have understood the idea. Now guys, I would highly suggest you to use Mautic and Amazon SES as I use. If you also want Mautic and Amazon SES, I would highly suggest you to take my course. I have put the link in description box. You take the course and I will teach you how to install Mautic and how to connect Amazon SES together and how you can use this application. I will teach you each and everything. Just check this course. I have put the link in description box of this video. So guys, for Mautic, I use shared IP. Okay, so around shared IPs just cost me around $10 to send 100,000 emails per month. Okay, so you can also go for Mautic. So guys, this is all about today's video. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. You can also follow us on Instagram. We have around 39,000 plus followers. You can also follow us on Facebook. We have around 95,000 plus followers. So this is all about today's video guys. See you in the next video. Bye.